the shakers while these niggas stand around.
Real niggas in the building. We ain't done with you. Real niggas in the building. Hold on, don't play that shit too fast, folks. Let me take a sip of this liquor. I gotta fall into my zone for this one, folks. Real talk. Mama, I'm finna do it. I'm doing it for you, too. Doing right here for you. We partying in this motherfucker. That's what you heard, nigga. Mike Mile, what up? Mike Mile, can you please come to the stage? I want you on the camera on this one. Real talk. I'm gonna go out there and do this last song, and then I'm gonna pass this mic to my comrades in here who doing their thing, folks. Where Mike Mile at? Come on to the stage, Mike, where you at, baby? Mike Mile, where you at, nigga? Real talk. Y'all already know, like I told you, this shit ain't about no goddamn money. This shit is about respect. You know how the game goes. One day you're up, the next day you're down. This shit don't always, nigga ain't always on the top, nigga. These niggas telling you lies, telling you motherfuckers, telling you these dreams and shit. I just want you on the stage with me when I do this song, folks. Real talk. This shit ain't about no money, this shit about respect, folks. And this what real niggas told me to tell you. I'm gonna write the book for all my real niggas out here. We a dying breed, folks. Cause niggas telling too many lies, raising up fools instead of real niggas. That's what we doing. This shit educational. So I'm gonna educate you tonight. For all the real niggas in the building. Respect me for it, I'm gonna respect you. Cause if you play game, man down. Man down. And this how I go right here. Got a cold 10 brewing Jack boy, laying back. Plus these haters getting up like they ran into our time. Man down, man down, man down. What they doing? Lean mugging in a club, yeah they looking real. Act a fool if you wanna, we gon' finish what you start. Man down, man down, man down. Man down. If you got a song around baby daddy, tell that nigga man down. What man is that? You got a song with baby daddy, tell that nigga man down. Play that shit, nigga. Let me from nigga play you. Real talk. Real talk.
Got a cold 10 going Jack boys, laying back. Plus these haters get nuts like they ran into a tag. Man down, man down, man down, man down. Lean mugging in the club, yeah they looking real hard. Act a fool if you wanna, we gon' finish what you start. Man down, man down, man down, man down. Make a lot of money, spend a lot of cash. Brown nose and ass niggas kiss a lot of ass. So why they mad? Money ain't right, get your ass on the grind. Stop hating on mine. A bunch of tough talking next who gon' cost ya. The same one you trust, the same one gon' crush ya. Couple bad bitches, they all down with me. Bite the head off your dick and bring it back to me. Shorty man, we got hot track. Root man, we got loud back. We see you scoping, you can catch us in the bag. Beat banging like the track, body stinking like a loud cat. 10 boy, Jack boys, laying back. Plus these haters get nuts like they ready to attack. Man down, man down, man down, man down. Lean mugging in the club, and they looking real hard. Act a fool if you wanna, we gon' finish what you start. Man down, man down, man down, man down. You hear the sirens?
Pace, what's good?
Money
Where y'all from? Where y'all from? Yeah. What's good, folk? What's your name? Where you from?
It's your boy the Fruit Man, and y'all already know him from the ATL, folk. We holding it down from Zone 6, folk. Out here fucking with Mike Miles in that Hot Block magazine, nigga. Real niggas do real things, folk. We keeping it all the way real. It's dead for y'all niggas out here. Y'all niggas know y'all, this shit is such a dinosaur, this shit y'all on. All you swag surfing. You know what we call a swag surfer? A nigga that's smoking baby weed. Swag surfing, nigga, we smell your ass. Smelling like a fucking Black and Miles. And they talking about it's fruit, and it's not, nigga. Turn your green crack arrow, nigga. Turn your pack up, boy. It's a green crack arrow. Coming to your hood soon. The boy the Fruit Man, hosted by DJ Screen. Y'all know what it is, folks.
Hey, you can catch him at the fruit stand.
How can they reach you? How can they reach you? How can they reach you?
I don't know, man. Ain't no internet, nigga. I don't know how to reach me, nigga. You better catch me in the hood. Catch me at the fruit stand. Follow your nose. I'm gonna tell you how to reach me. You want to reach me, nigga, follow your nose. I am who I say I am. Like Toucan, nigga. The favorite of fruit. Toucan ain't have no map. He just follow his fucking nose. You better know. Real talk. Ain't no internet, nigga. You look me up on the internet, you're going to find some terrible shit, folks. Real talk. I'm sorry. Man down. Real talk. Niggas is tired of that bullshit, folks. Man down.
Code 10.
Code 10.
Code 10.
Yeah. Real talk. We dead ass crunk. Me and the streets, nigga. What you looking at is the streets behind me. Real talk. They say they tired of the fakers. Real talk. They say they tired of these niggas telling lies on the rapper, folks. The shenanigans. Motherfuckers ready for some real shit on albums. So we're like the plague. They don't want to find us. They want to box us out. Niggas is scared to play our shit. You know what I'm saying? All type of shenanigans. But we coming, folks. Catch us at the fruit stand, nigga.
We got it.
You know we got it. Hey, you fucking with my mind. I didn't say it. Listen, I didn't say it. They said it. You know what I'm saying? These a whole bunch of folk back here. And I didn't pay them to say it either. It is what it is.
Yeah.
Every time you in the store, nigga, this is the logistics. Real talk. I'm giving you real I'm not talking about smoking fruity. I'm not talking about blowing on no fruit. I am talking about the new age hustler, nigga. He is not the same. He is not the nigga with his pants hanging down, with 7 gold teeth in his mouth, and his hat turned to the back. He's the nigga in college. He's the fucking fruit man. He doesn't look like he used to look. He's carrying a briefcase with a computer in it. Real talk. And he got them fruits, that green. It's a green crack arrow, folks. You don't believe me? Check the blood sales.
Check it.
Real talk. Every time you in the store, you in the line, ain't somebody asking for a Swiss of sweet cigarette? Real talk.
Legalize it. Yeah, man.
I'm with legalizing.
Yeah, man.
If it's illegal, I'm gonna be the fruit man long.